Hi, everyone. I'm Jasmine, and welcome to Jasmine's Reading Corner. For today's Storytime storybook, I have a special book for all of you girls and boys who love construction sites. The book we'll be reading today is Mighty Mighty Construction Site by Sherri Duskey Rinker and Tom Lichtenheld. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. So now, let's begin. Down in the big construction site, 10 trucks wake to morning light. It's time to stretch. Roll out of bed and gear up for the day ahead. And look, we have some buttons to press. This looks like a waking up button from sleepy time. And then we have this gear button. Let's press it. They're revving up their engines. They wipe their faces. Greet the sun, load up, fuel up, rev up, run! And we have some more buttons to press, so let's do that. They're getting ready with some gasoline, filling up their engines. And then this looks like a honk button. Move out of the way. Morning rush hour. Need to get to work. Skid steers nimble, small and quick. She turns, she spins, she does a trick. Woohoo! Good for her. And we need to press a button. That's right, it's the engine gear button. Let's do that. Bulldozer's heavy, wide, and grand. He'll push and plow to clear the land. Skid breaker's bit blasts rocks to rubble, so dozer rolls through without trouble. Nice. Bulldozer's heavy, wide, and grand. He'll push and plow to clear the land. Skid breaker's bit blasts rocks to rubble, so dozer rolls through without trouble. And we have a button to press. Move out of the way. Coming through. Coming through. Each long trench is marked and planned. Excavator digs the land. Then backhoe grabs a drainage pipe and sets it down in one smooth swipe. We have a new button. Yay! On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay! For placing the pipe in one smooth swipe. Yay! Front end loader and dump truck pair to move great loads from here to there. Digging, lifting, hauling ground, giant piles are moved around. And we have some buttons to press. Move out of the way, coming through. Strong flatbed rolls right to a stop with more supplies all stacked on top. And pulling up with all his might, crane truck lifts a beam to height. Yay! Yay! but before we were supposed to celebrate Crane Truck, we were supposed to honk for Strong Flatbed. And then, yay! Yay! Cement Mixer is working hard around the whole construction yard, but now the concrete needs to climb, and here is Pumper right on time. Fill the hopper, flip the switch, and zoom! Concrete is pushed into the boom. Up through the pipe, it does not stop. Then concrete comes out way up top. And now we have a lot of buttons to press, starting with the engine for the pumper. And Cement Mixer is saying, move out of the way. Beep, 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 beep. Then we have the button for the pumping. Sounds more like a liquid, but I guess I'll go for cement, for pumping cement. It sounds more like pumping gas or water, but I guess it'll work for pumping cement. And then finally, we have this button for job well done. Yay! 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 Just like the plan, the job's complete. This awesome team just can't be beat. Cooperation got it done. Teamwork made it fast and fun. Yay! Let's press the button. Yay! Yay! The new crew leaves, but on their way, Crane Truck waves, great work today. The crew drives off, engines loud, feeling tired, but strong and proud. And then, yay! Yay! It's getting dark, the sun has set. The trucks are tired as they can get. They roll to find their cozy beds, to cuddle up and rest their heads. The trucks are revving their engines as they come into their land site where they sleep at night. To close their eyes and drift away, new adventures wait another day. Construction site all tucked in tight. Great work today. Now shh. Good night. And that brings us to the end of this book. Thank you for joining me for story time here at Jasmine's Reading Corner. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. And if there are any books you would like me to check out, please email me or contact me through my Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook handles. Until next time, bye!